Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Jira exports to CSV using Atlassian tool. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Atlassian Jira website. Log in to your Jira account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the project from which you wish to export issues. Click on the project name to open the project dashboard. In the sidebar, find and select the Issues option. You will see a list of all the issues within the project. Use the filter options to refine the list if necessary. At the top right corner of the issue list, locate the Export drop-down menu. Click on the Export option. From the drop-down, select Export to CSV. You will see two options, Current Fields and All Fields. Choose Current Fields if you want a simplified export, or All Fields for a more comprehensive dataset. After selecting your preferred option, Jira will prepare the CSV file. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the data. Once the file is ready, your browser will prompt you to download the CSV file. Select your desired location on your computer to save the file. Click Save to download the CSV file. Open the CSV file using a suitable program such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. You can now view and manipulate your exported Jira data as needed. That completes the process of downloading Jira exports to CSV using Atlassian tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.